Hi. This tutorial is for people with group admin rights on Skills Builder Benchmark. Depending on your setting, group admins are usually mentors, tutors, or line managers. In this video, we're going to show you how to edit an assessment period for your learners. There are various reasons why you might want to edit an existing assessment period. For example, you might have assigned it to the wrong group. Or you might wish to extend the assessment period to give learners more time to complete their reflections. Once logged in, go to the admin dashboard. Click the Assessment Periods tab, then find the assessment period you want to edit from the list. Click Edit. A box will appear on your screen, populated with the current details of the assessment period. You can rename the assessment period here. You can change the end date of the assessment period here. Please note, you cannot change the start date of an assessment period, and you cannot change the end date to a date in the past. You can add or remove groups here. You can change the focus skills here. When you have finished making your edits, click Save Changes, and that's it. A green banner will appear briefly in the top right corner to show this was successful. If your learners have joined the group or groups you selected, they will instantly receive an automated email. This email will notify them of the assessment period dates and focus skills, and encourage them to visit Benchmark to get started. Thank you for watching this video on how to edit an assessment period for your learners on Skills Builder Benchmark.